Hello Turbo family, this is Sam from Turbo Traders, and today I'm here to answer all your questions that you guys had. So stick to the video, watch it till the end, and you will have all your answers here. So stay tuned, let's get on to it. So being a business owner, we come across these questions a lot. The first question we come across is that how long does the title process work? The title process usually takes about a week to 3 weeks depending on how the DMV is working, but we usually say our customers it arrives within 2 weeks to your home. The second question we come across is that does our prices on the cars have any dealer add-ons or anything? No sir, no ma'am, we don't have any dealer prices or any dealer add-ons on it. The price listed online, the price I listed for, is the final and absolute price. You just have to pay the tax, title, license, and that's about it. No dealer add-ons, no add-on charges, no hidden fees, nothing like that. We don't do any of that. We're here for straight business only. The third question we come across is that does our vehicles have clean title? Yes, all our vehicles have clean titles. All our vehicles have clean titles. All of the vehicles have been PDI'd, inspected, runs and drives excellent, no mechanical issues, nothing that needs to be worked on. So all our vehicles that have been listed on our website, that have been listed on our shop, they have no mechanical issues on it, no work needed, everything's checked out and everything's good to go. The fourth question is that do we do any warranty or guarantees? No, we don't. This is a cash car dealership, and we do financing too, but it's mostly a cash car dealership. It's a used car dealership. So when you buy a used car, you have to double check it when you buy it. We do offer third-party warranties. We do offer third-party warranty for a very good price, so you can check that out too. But depending on us, we do not do any like buybacks or dealer trade-ins on it. What you see is what you get. And just let me know if you have any other questions. I'm here to answer anything that you guys need. So just come visit us in 4556 JD Mazur Parkway, Alvarado 76009. Our shop name is Turbo Traders, located in Suite 100, or come and contact me in 469-305-8848, or come look for me. My name is Sam, and I'm here to help you out on any kinds of cars or any kinds of automotive needs that you need.